Eremo, what is your name?
But
What is your name?
my name is Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah.
You.
My name is Matt.
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 Matt. How about the other?
Hey, what's
Calvo.
your name?
Kevin and
Hey, what's your name?
Terence.
Terence. The other one.
Travis.
Travis.
Oh yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah.
What's your name?
반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you.
Oh, okay. Panggap ko siya. In Filipino, we call it kupal ka ba, boss?
Kupal ka naman eh. Kupal ka pa, boss?
That is the meaning of you're welcome in the Philippines.
What is the welcome? Yeah, welcome.
Kupal ka ba, boss? That's
Kupa,
Kupal ka ba, boss?
Kupa,
Yes.
babos.